We are using insect to solve a global challenge, right? Inside of this insectarium, we have the insects we are talking about. When we are talking about insect farming, so many people do not understand that with the insect production facility, you get to be making alternative livestock feed. Bring it this way, let's show them this insect and then explain further to what we are doing with this insect, because inside of this insectarium here, we have this insect we call the black soldier flies. And all of these insects here, they are producing eggs for us to produce an alternative livestock feed. Show them inside of this insectarium. Because what you see here, this is a strategy that if you adopt as a farmer, you get to be producing your own alternative livestock feed. These insects here, we call them the black soldier flies, and these insects survive only on water. I'll show you what these insects are producing for us. So let's go to the other section. Because for you to own a maggot farm and then run it efficiently, you need two sections. We have one section we call the insectarium, and we have another section we call the larvarium. This section which we have the flies here, this is the insectarium section. So this section here, this is the section where we raise the maggots itself. So I'll show you the kind of maggots we are talking about, because whenever we talk about maggot farming, a lot of people begin to feel like this process is dirty or is not hygienic enough. The insects we are producing here, we produce them from these insects I showed you at the beginning of this video, right? These are black soldier fly larvae. Bring it close, let's show them this larvae. So you see, if you look at them, you can tell that there is a difference in this kind of maggots. This kind of maggots here are produced by these insects we call the black soldier flies. And they consume only organic waste, converting it into their body sizes before we start separating them to feed to our livestock. And what we are saying is this: if you own a facility, you can get to be making this kind of maggots in commercial quantity, feeding them to your livestock, right? We have made a couple of videos here talking about how farmers can use this technology to begin to produce an alternative livestock feed. And I want you to understand that this is almost a zero cost strategy, right? Once you have an insect farm, you only need to be collecting waste at almost a zero cost. You get to be producing your own alternative livestock feed. So if you're watching this video today and you like to start a maggot facility, globally we can integrate this facility for you and then train you on how you can start generating all of these maggots you're seeing here at almost a zero cost. So if you're watching this video today and you want to go into commercial production of these maggots, even if you want to be producing 10 tons, 100 tons, we can integrate that facility for you globally. So to get started, share this video and make sure you drop a comment below now. You're welcome.